Hello, this is Tammy Hewlett from Swimming and Stamps, and I'm here today to show you how to save your finished scrapbook page from my digital studio as a JPEG or a PNG file, and then upload it to my digital studio and link it to MDS Monday so you can enter our challenges. So here I've got my finished scrapbook page, and the first thing I'm going to do is say Project, Share, Export Pages. When I come to this screen, I'm going to select a PNG. You can also do a JPEG, but I have PNG. Just hit cancel. All right, and on this screen, I am going to select which pages I want it to save. I'm just going to do the middle one. Oops, made a little mistake there. And I'm also going to say where the output of the where it's going to save the PNG. So I've got a file called Finished Scrapbook Pages, and I'm going to stick it in there. And that way I know where to go find the file when I'm done. Okay, then I just say Finish, and it's going to go through this little process. You have to do this before you can upload your finished scrapbook page to my digital studio. So as soon as it's done, it'll give you this message, and then you can go into your folders and go find that, sorry, it's way down here under pictures. And that was number 85. Okay, so here's my finished scrapbook page as a PNG. And what I'm going to do is copy and paste it, because on my computer it saves it as really big files and they won't upload to my digital studio. So on the copy here, I am going to right click it and say edit, and I am going to resize it down to about 665 pixels, and that way, just save it. That way I can upload it to my digital studio. All right, so now I'm going to open the internet, and I've already gotten onto my page on mydigitalstudio.net, and you do that by clicking your name up here. If you haven't set up a page, it's really easy to do. And this is where you can store all your samples. So you can see here that I'm going to click on samples, and I've got all sorts of things here. And if you want to add a page, just hit add, and then it'll take you through a routine where you point to that JPEG or PNG that you just saved on your hard drive. Now I'm not going to do that because I already have saved this picture, so I'm just going to say back, and we'll just go to the picture. So let's click on it. Oops, that's not the right one. It was a different one right here. Okay, so go ahead and click on it. So the only thing showing on your screen is that one scrapbook page, because what you're going to want to do is copy this URL right here on the top of your address. So hit Control Copy. Then go to the MDS Monday page. So I'm looking at a real old one just because I use this as an example. I set up a link. Go ahead and hit the Add a Link button, and then this screen's going to come up, and you're going to want to paste that URL in that you just copied from this My Digital Studio page. This verbiage right up here is what you're going to put on the link. And if you wait just a second, it's going to show you a picture of the link that you just put in. So just hit select, and you can put a different title here. You can look at your email, make sure that's right, and then click done. And then just say take me back to the link up, and I'm going to scroll down to where that MDS 85 was. Let's see, should be a little bit higher here. Here we go. Here's the link, and you can see that the picture is there. Now, when I set up the links, I try to set them up so that if you don't like what you linked up, you can actually click on this little trash can here and take it out and try again if you don't like what you did. So there you go. That's how you can set up your scrapbook pages on mydigitalstudio.net and then link them up to our page at MDS Monday so that you can enter our challenges each week. I hope to see your page. I can't wait to see what you can do.